Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. If you're interested in making money in cryptocurrency, subscribe to the channel right now. We drop one video every day, keeping you informed. We put projects on your radar that the mainstream media, they'll never share this information with you. They'll never give you perspectives. They'll never help you understand why each project is interesting or valuable, or why you should have these projects on your radar, or why they're making news. We do this, and if you appreciate that, smash the like button. You either have to be subscribed to us or somebody like us, or you have to be following the market every day yourself and doing your own research on a daily basis to truly get ahead of the curve in cryptocurrency. Now, anyways, in today's video, what I want to do is share with you about 11 projects that are some of the best in the space, and this isn't just based on my whim. This is based on verifiable evidence, verifiable data or information that you can look at yourself and go, he's right about that. These projects are interesting for this reason. So, good video today. Make sure you watch the entire thing. Let's get started. Do not sleep on Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin is going through a massive supply shock. We continue to show you the data, in part because this is the first cycle where people realize that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are not going away, and so many people are preparing accordingly. For instance, never in the history of the Bitcoin network has this large of a percentage of circulating supply, in fact 85% of Bitcoin, have been held for over 3 months. Usually people buy it, sell it, trade it. People are buying it and holding it like never before. Supply squeeze underway. Now, let's get a little precise with the data. Peep this. An estimated 38% of Bitcoin is lost forever. This takes supply off the market. 92% of supply hasn't moved in at least 30 days. Interesting. 85% of supply hasn't moved in at least 90 days. This is a little bit different data than what we just read, but it shows a trend that people are buying and holding Bitcoin. Point is, the scarcity of Bitcoin cannot be overstated, and for that reason, Bitcoin is our top coin on the list. Next coin, Chainlink. The brilliant thing about Chainlink being natively blockchain agnostic is that regardless of the on-chain environments that dApps are built on or shift to or expand support to, like ETH to Avalanche, like ETH to Cardano, like Elrond to Cardano, all of this stuff, Chainlink is blockchain agnostic, so it will continue, these projects will continue to have access to the same hyper reliable and secure source of external resources that they require no matter the blockchain, and they can continue to use Chainlink. And not just for price feeds, not just for data feeds, but off-chain computation as well. If you know something about Chainlink, VRF, keepers, and in the future, CCIP will continue to arrive on more chains with Chainlink. Supporting lower cost blockchains, layer 2s, means Chainlink services can also run more efficiently, meaning more use cases enabled. And for this reason, Chainlink makes our list today. Next coins on our list, combination Superfarm and then blue chip Metaverse coin Sandbox partnership. Superfarm is proud to announce a deep partnership with the Sandbox game. Holders of Superfarm NFTs will begin to experience 3D Metaverse utility, and community members will enjoy opportunities to build functionality and earn prizes. So to be precise about this partnership, Superfarm is proudly partnering with the Sandbox, a community-driven platform where creators can monetize voxel assets in gaming experiences on the blockchain. In fact, the Superfarm ecosystem is excited to announce the acquisition of an extra-large estate that the Superfarm community will soon call home. This contiguous plot is a whopping 24 by 24 parcels in size, allowing players to build and explore in a three-dimensional virtual space. This collaboration between the Sandbox and Superfarm lays the foundation for a robust, player-driven economy that spans the metaverse and drives even more utility to Superfarm NFTs. This is huge for Superfarm-related NFT projects, which will now have a dedicated home in the Sandbox. This partnership will be paired with a ton of community-centric initiatives to drive excitement and engagement with existing and future NFT collections. So, Sandbox, Huge coin, huge company, super farm, huge project, huge coin, partnership together. Pretty cool for both. Speaking of partnerships, which cannot be understated, eGold is to become one of the first cross-chain assets to collateralize stablecoins issued on Cardano via the Ardana stablecoin hub. So the details are this. We are excited to announce that we've started a long-term collaboration with Ardana, the stablecoin hub on the Cardano blockchain. By the way, this means Elrond and Cardano make our list. Ardana is building DeFi infrastructures for the Cardano blockchain that will enable the issuance of the crypto-backed DUSD stablecoin and decentralized trading on their DanaSwap DEX automated market maker platform. Our collaboration seeks to make eGold one of the first non-native assets on Cardano that can be used as collateral for DUSD minting. This will be made possible by moving eGold tokens between the Elrond network and Cardano blockchains via a two-way bridge that will be developed by Ardana in collaboration with Elrond. So this is great news for Elrond, this is great news for Cardano, and Ardana, the stablecoin hub on Cardano, great news for them as well. Speaking of quality dApp platforms in the space, the next coin on our list today is Solana. They've just partnered with India's version of TikTok. In India, they don't have TikTok. It was banned. They have another thing. Well, Indian TikTok Challenger, it's an Indian TikTok competitor. So Indian TikTok raises $19 million to launch social token on Solana. According to the CEO, he says, what Axie Infinity did for gaming, we want to do for social media. So the fact that they chose Solana, it's a big deal. This is backed by some major players in the space, including Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz, Alameda Research, Solana Capital, Kraken cryptocurrency exchange. The token for this India TikTok is going to be called Gari token. It's pretty new, so it's not making our list today, but the underlying blockchain dApp platform, Solana, makes our list. And speaking of the blue chip in dApp platforms, another coin going through a supply shock, different yet very similar to Bitcoin, is Ethereum. Two pieces of news. The value of Ethereum held by miners reaches 5-year record levels, meaning miners are not selling their Ethereum. We see this in Bitcoin all the time, where they believe there are higher prices to come and they're holding on to Ethereum as much as possible, and this is what the data is showing. Now combine that with the fact that over 402 million worth of Ethereum outflowed from centralized exchanges just yesterday. We're continuing to see Ethereum leave exchanges in record numbers. This is great for the price because of everything we talk about all the time. Ethereum makes our list today. Now, an Ethereum competitor slash interoperator is Phantom. It's been gaining steam lately. And then we're going to talk about DeFi blue chip Yearn Finance. Both of these coins making our list. The news is that Yearn Finance and Phantom rally on multi-chain expansion. The DeFi blue chip is launching on the Phantom network. And we're actually continuing to see these projects continue to get interoperable and just all talking to each other. Yearn Finance has expanded its vault to the Phantom network. The YFI and Phantom token have both reacted positively to the news, putting in double-digit gains. Plans for Yearn to expand to other chains, such as Ethereum Layer 2 Arbitrum and Layer 2 Polygon, are already in the works. So Yearn Finance, Phantom, making our list today. Next coin on our list is actually a sponsor of our channel. It's called Drops DAO, Drops NFTs. It's your Metaverse finance, your NFT vault, where you can use your NFTs as collateral. It's a really interesting project. They're backed by some big players. I'm going to tell you what this project is and what they're about. So Drops is a groundbreaking project that unlocks additional value for non-fungible tokens. So you have these non-fungible tokens. What can you do with them? Well, first of all, they just announced a closure of about a $1 million round for private investors. We see big names behind this round: AU21, QuantStamp, Petrock Capital, Blockstar Technologies, a whole host of them you can see here. Now, they're going to use this capital for development, marketing, operations, expenses, and liquidity provision. So they're going to be well funded. I guess let's start at the beginning. What exactly is Drops? From the same team that created the NFT game Node Runners, Drops is an NFT project focused on bringing scalability and utility to NFT assets. By bringing DeFi-style properties to NFT assets, users will be able to earn yield with and borrow against their NFTs. Drops NFT is a pioneer in providing loans, vaults, staking, and yield farming for NFT owners and investors. They aim to allow digital creators to reach large audiences and have their art celebrated by a growing community. Drops offers gasless transactions and a smooth user interface by leveraging the Layer 2 platform Polygon in cooperation with Biconomy, allowing equal participation for all. So NFTs is exploding. You can understand why people want functionality and utility, be able to loan out their NFTs and do all this stuff. You understand the value prop. Well, let's get into it further. What exactly can you do at Drops? Well, 3 main use cases. Firstly, borrow against DeFi and NFT tokens. Reduce the opportunity costs of holding governance or liquidity tokens by supplying them as collateral and earning sizable returns and rewards on short-term loans. Number 2, use your NFTs for loans. Put your NFTs down as collateral and receive instant access to a trustless loan without having to talk to a lender or wait to be approved, thanks to our permissionless NFT lending pools. And then number 3, turn your idle assets into active yield. Idle assets are lost opportunities. With Drops, you can get more from your portfolio by supplying stablecoins and governance tokens to fungible or NFT lending pools in exchange for attractive returns and rewards. Next coins on our list, actually meme coins, actually only good in a bull market in my opinion. But first of all, Dogecoin makes our list today. People like it. AMC Theaters roll out their first phase of Dogecoin payments on its platform. They only did this because the CEO asked the community, do you guys want us to accept Doge? And people said yes, like hugely. This was the tweet announcing it from a day ago. You can now buy, this is what you can do, at AMC Theaters, you can buy digital gift cards up to $200 per day with Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies using a BitPay wallet. So you have Dogecoin, you're probably trying to sell some, realize some profits before the next bear market. Consider buying, AMC gift cards. Consider it. Speaking of meme coins, with Dogecoin doing well, we're seeing Dogecoin copycats doing well. Is anybody trading Shiba Inu? I'm actually curious. Shiba Inu is up 385% in a week. It became the 12th largest cryptocurrency, bigger than Elrond, bigger than Mina, bigger than so many. Meme coin Shiba Inu continues its meteoric rise, soaring by another 50% over the day to become the world's 12th largest cryptocurrency. Again, only fun in a bull market, but because this is a bull market, because things are looking bullish, meme coins continue to gain favor and gain price. Okay, that is it for me today, my friends. Let me know what you think of the coins that I picked in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to be a part of a channel that drops daily information, not financial advice, just news and opinion and information. And with that being said, I'll see you tomorrow.